Did you notice that the sentiment around the stock market just hit plus 0.75? That's not just a number, it's a significant spike compared to the historical baseline. This level of optimism is rare and suggests a strong collective confidence that could lead to momentum shifts. With a momentum score of plus 0.36 and 13 semantic clusters indicating diverse positive discussions, the signals are clear. Something is stirring. With our API, you get real-time sentiment analysis, delivering insights that help you stay ahead. For instance, you could use this data to adjust your portfolio strategy or inform your trading algorithms, reacting to the pulse of the market as it evolves. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.